In this video, we'll walk through how to keep your business organized and your client relationships strong using Travefy CRM. You'll see how to create a new contact, bulk import existing clients, and get a quick overview of what lives inside a client profile, including email, tasks, and automations, all in one simple place designed to safely store important client details. So let's get started. You'll be able to access your client contact information by clicking Contacts at the top of your Travefy account like this. Think of contacts like your complete client command center. This is where you store everything that matters. Key details like birthdays, loyalty numbers, travel preferences, and passport info. So you're always prepared and never digging through emails or notes. From here, you can manage tasks and automations, track every trip, forms, documents, and even connect your email inbox so all client communication lives in one place, saving time, staying organized, and delivering a more personalized client experience. I now want to show you the different ways you can add your client's information. With Travefy's flexibility, there's 3 different ways. The first way is to manually add them by clicking the New Contact button in the top left-hand corner. This will open a blank profile where you can manually fill out the information. But if you need to upload multiple client contacts at once, you'll choose Import Contacts below. From here, you can upload a CSV or an Excel file. Just make sure that the information is lined up in the correct columns like you see here. In fact, a pro tip for you is to click Download Template Profile, and this is a spreadsheet that's already formatted for you, so you can use this template to quickly copy and paste your client info in, then upload it, and you'll have your contacts in there quickly. The final way to add contact information is by automatically bringing in details from a Travefy form once a client submits it. After a form response comes in, you can go ahead and head to your library, open your form responses, and then choose to merge those smart field responses into an existing contact or create a brand new one. This will help eliminate any of that manual entry. This is also where you'll find client credit card authorization when you use Travefy's PCI compliant forms, helping you protect your client sensitive data while keeping everything securely stored in one place. Now, if you want to learn how to create and customize forms like this, be sure to check out our forms video next if you haven't already. Now let's jump back into this profile and talk about email integration. In Travefy, you can connect your email inbox so all client communication is automatically organized and stored directly within their profile. This means you can read, reply to, or send new emails without switching tabs. Everything stays connected to the client in this one place. Now to set this up, simply choose your email provider in the contact profile and log in to connect it to Travefy. You can also manage this from your account settings, where you'll find the option to even customize your email signature as well. Now, before we wrap up, I want to quickly highlight that you can also automate client communication from here. Within the tasks area of the contact profile, you can schedule emails to send automatically at specific dates and times, helping you save time, stay consistent, and keep client communication running even when you're busy. Now, if you need help getting started or have any questions at all, please reach out to our team. Thank you so much for watching.